My name is Marjani Fortè-Saunders, and I am a 2021 artist in residence at Kaufman School of Dance. Perhaps the most formative of my professional dance experience was with the Urban Bushwoman Dance Company. My work is really seated and rooted in the liberation of all peoples from my lens as a Black woman, coming out of that rich global lineage of Blackness. Rhythmically, I have come to understand my body with a rooting in a West African dance practice. And then, of course, I'm a child of hip hop. It's still a part of my knowing, part of how I've come to understand my articulation as a mover. This project is about the practice of futuring, which is also a process of looking back. This piece is about weathering the moment. The students were using Alexis Pauline Gumb's M Archive as a literary anchor. The work that sort of sits at the intersection of poet, Black feminist theory, and sci-fi. Our students are in the most peculiar of places, experiencing their freshman year from the computer. The material really relies on their personal storytelling. And really, that's all dance. That's the power of our craft, is that it is a perfect collaborative experience. And so I think that this piece is really tapping into their know-how and their wisdoms at 17 and 18 years old. The wealth and richness of who they are and what they have right now. I think I've given them some material which is complex and difficult, but they are doing it, and they are doing it beautifully.